Hi, I'm Christopher Bacon, president of MiniCarm.com. We are the exclusive national distributor for Hologic Fluoroscan InSight FDs. Today we're going to show you how to use it. Just by starting to turn the green button on, it's next to the DVD player. Here is a USB port. Here you can see the vertical range, the orbital rotation, also the wig-wag, along with the flat detector rotation, and the inversion range of the C. To begin imaging, press the Perform button. In the patient information screen, enter the required fields: first name, last name, and patient ID. Once filled, the Perform button will activate, granting access to the imaging screen. Once in the imaging screen, and to ensure the highest quality image, activate the X-rays for at least 2 seconds. This gives the imaging software ample time to optimize and capture the best possible results. Additionally, allow a 2-second pause between X-rays to let the application fully reset. Alright, so now we're going to run down through the tube head controls. Here's your save button. Here's your rotate, clockwise and counterclockwise. You can change your brightness and contrast. Here's the laser. Not sure if you can see it or not. And then X-ray. Always try to hold it down for like at least 2 seconds and then let go and then wait another 2 seconds to reinitiate. You can also manually change your technique and also your pulse mode, whether it's a single shot or fluoroscopy, and also your noise suppression. It's off, that's on ultra auto. All right, here is our continuous, snapshot or cine record button, our noise suppression, our tag is a reference that holds that image in place. Also our auto technique, it's in auto. We can also put it in manual or down manual, back to auto. Here's our standard resolution. Here's our high resolution image. If you hit it back, it goes back to standard. We can reset the 5-minute timer by pressing that button. And then here's all your image tools. You can zoom, you can flip, rotate left, rotate right, which you can also do from the image itself. And then you can just reset all. And then here's different ways to look at the screen. And here you can update your patient information right on here, and then you can cancel out of that. And you can also double tap this image to get full screen, in which you can also rotate your image from here as well. And to go back, just double tap. And then after you're finished with your case, press the review. You can choose which images that you want to save or delete. You can also select all of them, and you can just go back and forth. And then you can delete, export. Would be to send to the USB drive. You can send it in a DICOM, a TIFF, and a JPEG. And then when you finish, hit cancel. And when you finish, hit end session. And if you haven't saved anything, this is the pop-up that you're going to see, and then that gets you back to your starting screen. When you're finished using the machine, always shut down from this button. Allow Windows to shut down. And all right, this has been an overview of the Hologic Fluoroscan InSight FD Flex Mini C-Arm. If you need sales, service, or support, please give us a call at 800-643-2998 or send us an email at info@minicarm.com. Thank you.